everyone's hiring expensive consultants. Watch this. I say, I need a TikTok expert to grow my channel. CharmIQ instantly builds a complete AI agent, TikTok expert with all the expertise packed in. One click, my expert is alive. I can choose any brain for my AI agent. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, you name it. Now let's see this expert in action. I ask for TikTok best practices. Look at this knowledge dump. Hooks, algorithms, captions, everything a pro would know. The game changer? I save this as reference material. Now I can use this expert knowledge over and over. Then I add my own context about this exact video and ask my expert to craft the perfect caption. Boom, 3 killer options in seconds. The real power is that I can build an entire AI team. Need to repurpose this TikTok content for YouTube? I switch to my YouTube expert. 3 clicks, boom, YouTube specialist ready. I add the same context, but now, same content completely optimized for YouTube. 0 extra research, all living in one workspace. Build your AI dream team at CharmIQ.ai. Use code CharmCommit to save 30% or go annual and save a massive 50%. Limited time only.